Well, if you need some inspiration for an elegant tablescape, you're in the right place. It's Tablescape Tuesday, everyone. And today I have for you my Glamorous Sage and Gold Tablescape. It is a very simple yet very elegant tablescape. And I also have two simplistic ways to style your centerpiece. So you gotta stay tuned. to put it on my favorite list. It's one of my most favorite, and I have really enjoyed creating this tablescape as well. Thank you so much for joining me on today, for visiting my channel. If this happens to be your first time here, I say welcome. Thank you so much for coming by. And if you have not yet subscribed, I suggest that you do so. I put up a tablescape every Tuesday with a different theme, and I'm having a great time. So how about joining the family, the Design to a T family? So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. Have a great week, everybody. God bless.